Hi crafty friends, welcome back to Club Echo Park 10 cards with one kit. This is the second part, 5 through 10. So I have been playing around a little bit. I've got pieces cut out everywhere. And these are the two sketches I'm going to be using today. Operation Ride Home number 37. And this is My Favorite Things number 383 from Christy Marcutte's blog site, The Best Things in Life for Pink. And let's get started here. Okay, I've cut out a few things, and we will go, where did I put my card bases? This very light pink here. Okay, I've got my sticker sheet, I've got the chipboard, and I've got 3 pattern papers that I want to use. And the first, I will be cutting 2.5 by 5. Let's go ahead and cut this strip off. This is Farmhouse Market, and I absolutely love these. This pattern is beautiful, and then on the other side is just plain green. But I love the farmhouses. So we have 2.5 by 5. Let's do another one. And then that's another piece for a different sketch. And then we will, this will be 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. 1 3/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this one. We'll make 2 of one and 3 of the other. Okay, let's get our card base. And we do have a mat. Let's decide what the mat's going to be. So here's all my pieces for the 2.5 by 3 1/4. Let's just do these with no mat. If I had thought ahead, I would have made these smaller and put a mat on. So here goes our farmhouse. And here goes the bottom piece. because this is solid, I can put a sentiment right there. They'd be all right. See what we're going to use for a sentiment. I have tons. I don't know why I didn't get one out sooner. Okay. You are amazing. Get out Reversifying again. Okay. The Versifying Clear does take a little bit longer to dry, so it did smudge just a tad. Let's go ahead and pop that up. Oh yeah, boy, we made a mess of that. Okay. Luckily, I do have another one. Okay, I'm not going to smoosh so hard this time. I think that was part of the problem. There, that's a little better. Okay. Okay. You are amazing. Okay, there's card number 1 or number 5. Card number 5. And card number 6. Really similar. Only this piece is the 2.5. Yep. Make sure it goes right side round. The embroidery hoop goes on the top. because these are already circles, I can put "You Are Amazing" in one of the circles. And I think that will work fine. Let's hold this down and go. Okay. There's card number 6. And what did I do with that other sketch? Oh my gosh. There we go. Got it. Okay, this is Christy Marcotte's sketch. I already have my circles. And this is fun because we've got the measurements and we have the banner like we did in the sheet load sketch just a few days ago. Okay, so the banner is 4 3/4. Let's see, let's do pink banner. So the banner is 2 by 4 3/4, and then I'm going to use my punch. I think the punch only accommodates up to 2 inches. And by 4 3/4. Okay, let's trim these. Oh, not quite. We'll just trim just a hair off because it's not quite fitting it too. Not sure why. There, that works. Right in the middle. Okay. Okay. 2.5 by 3.5. I don't know if that's, let's measure this. It's by, that's 3, yeah, 2.5 by 3.5. So we can make the matting for this. And that would be garden green again.